Hello, my name is Kellen, and I'm here to talk to you about Leanbiome. But first, I want to warn you that the official site to buy this supplement is just below the video description and also in the first comment fixed. Do not be fooled by advertisements. Buying on the official site, you get guarantees from the official laboratory. Subscribe to the channel to receive more videos like these. Now let's get to know Leanbiome. Leanbiome works strategically, and yes, it works so well because of the unique blend it is made of. The ingredients are all backed by scientific research that makes Leanbiome one of the most effective weight loss formulas on the market. Losing weight is one of the most difficult tasks an individual takes on. And sometimes, even after giving it your all, it simply doesn't work. It is all connected to the health of your gut. In a recent research study, the benefits of adding beneficial lean bacteria to your diet were discovered. This special kind of lean bacteria suppresses hunger and cravings. This also increases your metabolic rates, which in turn helps boost the weight loss process. Thus, to lose weight naturally and effectively, it is important to provide your body with various gut bacteria present in the Leanbiome formula. Here is a list of Leanbiome ingredients that make the Leanbiome formula so powerful. Lactobacillus gasseri, Lactobacillus rhamnosus, inulin, chicory root extract, Sphaeranthus indicus, Garcinia mangostan. According to a clinical study, this ingredient helped women lose an average of 40 pounds of fat in just a few weeks. Thus, it doubles the fat loss process when combined with the previously mentioned ingredient. This special blend is also known as the Lean Bacteria Blend. The amazing blend contains some of the most effective bacterial strains in the mix. The Lean Bacteria Blend increases metabolism, triples the fat-burning process, and helps you lose weight in less than 6 weeks. It cleanses all waste from the body, maintains the digestive system and its functions, and boosts other functions that help you decrease various dress sizes and get a more defined waistline in a few days. Leanbiome is a daily health supplement for women. Each bottle of Leanbiome contains 60 capsules. Thus, the recommended daily serving for best results is 2 capsules a day, preferably in the morning. The weight loss supplement is for all women who are looking for a solution that can help them in their weight loss journey naturally. It is recommended to use the formula for a minimum of 3 to 6 months, so you can choose any package depending on the results you want to achieve. If you are still skeptical about making the purchase, remember that your purchase today is backed by a 180-day satisfaction guarantee. Therefore, if you decide to try Leanbiome and do not get satisfactory results, simply initiate a refund within the stipulated time frame. The refund process is totally uncomplicated and can be done within a few minutes. I hope to have helped with this video. Get yours now. No more frustrations, reach your goal, and do not forget that the official website sales link is in the video description. Leave your like and share.